This is a modular design triple light, featuring independently configurable sensor and emergency modules. It's a plug-and-play design, making daily maintenance more efficient and convenient. We offer 3 options: standard, sensor, and daily versions, designed to suit different application and control requirements. All versions come with a reserved emergency interface, providing maximum convenience for future functional expansion. For the emergency version, simply remove the port shorting cap. Connect the emergency module. And install the indicator light. That's all it takes to complete the installation. To meet different project requirements, we provide a choice of 3 emergency configurations: 2 words 3 hours, 3 words 3 hours, and 4 words 2 hours. Sensor version. Install the sensor module for intelligent motion sensing dimming. In addition, we offer 3 sensor solutions: the 3-step dimming sensor, group function, and Kasabi dimming sensor versions. Meanwhile, the lights support adjustable power and color temperature and can be equipped with different driver brands such as Bosch, Electronics, Osram, Tridonic, and Philips, as needed to meet different project standards. Modular design can significantly reduce maintenance and labor costs during long-term operation and maintenance, while effectively reducing the number of SKUs in inventory, elevating inventory pressure and capital occupation, and improving inventory turnover efficiency. Its scalable architecture allows for the flexible selection of functional modules based on project needs and enables convenient future upgrading and expansion. For more information on our solutions or to discuss partnership opportunities, feel free to reach out. If you like our content, please click to bookmark and subscribe. See you next time.